Imagine Docker Compose Up bringing you a full AI quant trading platform, research, strategy code, backtesting, and live execution, running on your own server with your own exchange keys. That is QuantDinger. 4,800 stars, Apache 2.0 backend, Docker stack, and an MCP server that lets Claude Code drive the whole platform. This is a platform tour. What it is, how the pieces fit, and what trade-offs come with running your own. Strip it down, and QuantDinger is one Docker stack with 4 layers. A Flask API in Python 3.10 sits in front of a PostgreSQL 16 database and a Redis 7 cache. A Vue.js frontend gives you the charts and the strategy editor. An Nginx reverse proxy fronts everything. On top of that base, the application layers ride. AI research agents that hit multiple LLM providers in parallel. A strategy engine that runs both vectorized and event-driven code. A deterministic backtester with commission and slippage modeling, and a live execution router that talks to crypto exchanges, IBKR for stocks, and MT5 for Forex. The multi-LLM piece is worth a sentence on its own. It queries OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Grok in parallel and shows you the ensemble result. The reasoning is that no single model is always right about market context, and seeing where 5 models agree or disagree is a stronger signal than asking one of them alone. Project stats: 4,800 stars and 100 forks on GitHub. Backend is Apache 2.0, fully open source. The frontend ships under a source available license, free for personal and non-commercial use. Commercial deployments need a license. 306 commits on the main branch with active development across English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, Vietnamese, and Arabic READMEs. No Semver tags yet. Distribution is GitHead plus Docker Compose. Here's the angle that pulled this into our coverage. QuantDinger ships an MCP server, a model context protocol implementation published on PyPI as QuantDinger MCP. Install it once and Claude Code, Cursor, OpenClaw, or any MCP-aware agent can drive the platform, read data, run backtests, write strategies, and execute trades through the agent. Tokens are scoped: read, backtest, write, trade. So you can hand an agent a backtest-only token, and it physically cannot place an order. Every agent call is audit logged. Trading tokens default to paper only. The agent has to be explicitly issued a live trade token. This is the model that actually makes agent-driven trading defensible. The agent can iterate on strategies, run thousands of backtests, and propose live deployments, but the explicit human-in-the-loop step for live trading is enforced by the token scope, not by an honor system. If you have ever watched an AI agent confidently call a destructive command on a real system, you understand why scope by default matters here more than almost anywhere else. Install is 3 commands. Clone the repo, copy the example env file, and generate a secret key, then bring the stack up with Docker Compose. 5 containers come online: Postgres, Redis, the API, the web frontend, and Nginx. And the platform is reachable on localhost port 888, with default credentials you change immediately. Strategy code comes in 2 flavors. IndicatorStrategy is data frame-based. You compute signals across a pandas data frame, return a Boolean column, and the engine handles entry, exit, and position sizing. This is the fast path for indicator-style strategies: moving averages, RSI bands, breakouts, mean reversion. Script strategy is event-driven. You receive tick-level events and write imperative logic that decides what to do per event. Use script strategy when timing matters at the millisecond level or when your logic does not fit cleanly into vectorized form. The split is intentional. Most strategy ideas are easier to express as vectorized operations, and the engine can backtest those fast. Minutes of compute for years of historical data. The event-driven path is the escape hatch for the strategies that need it. You do not pay the complexity tax unless you need it. Here's what an indicator strategy looks like in practice. You subclass indicator strategy, implement a signal method that takes a data frame, compute your indicators, and return where the entry condition holds. This is a vanilla moving average crossover, fast moving average above slow moving average. The engine takes the Boolean column you return and handles the rest. Backtester or live execution, same code. Connectivity is wide. 10+ crypto exchanges through CCXT, Binance, OKX, BitGet, Bybit, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, Gate, HTX. Interactive brokers for US stocks and futures. MetaTrader 5 for Forex. Oanda. Polymarket for prediction market research. Plus CN and HK stock exchanges. The live router abstracts all of it behind one interface, so your strategy code does not change when you swap venues. The point of self-hosting becomes visible here. Your Exchange API keys never leave your server. The strategy code, the backtest results, the trade history, the agent audit log, all of it sits in your own Postgres instance. There is no third-party service that has to be trusted with credentials or with the IP of a strategy you wrote. That trade-off has its own cost. You operate it, you patch it, you carry the security burden. Self-hosted is not free, it is just different. Here's the official site, mobile-first design. There's an Android APK and a mobile web app alongside the desktop UI, and the marketing front page emphasizes one Docker Compose command deployment, multi-LLM ensemble research, and MCP agent integration as the three headline features. The taglines are explicit: your private AI quant operating system, research to execution in one product, self-hosted, Python native, AI agent ready. Here's the Git Hub repo, Apache 2.0 license on the backend module, source available license on the front end, README localizations across 7 languages, active issue tracker, 306 commits on main. The agent gateway and MCP scope documentation lives in the docs folder, and the changelog tells you what shipped last week. This is an actively maintained codebase, not a static demo. Before the wrap, 2 things from the project itself that are worth surfacing. First, the explicit disclaimer, quote, "Nothing on the website, inside the software, or in any AI-generated output constitutes investment, financial, legal, or tax advice. Software is ASIS. Contributors disclaim liability. You use it at your own risk." Second, the standing scam warning. QuantDinger has not issued any token and does not endorse airdrops or ICOs. The fact that the project felt the need to publish that warning tells you impersonation attempts are active in the wild. If someone DMs you about a QuantDinger token sale, it is not the project. Apply the same skepticism you would to any open-source project that touches money. Verify the Git Hub org, verify the URL, never paste exchange keys into anything you have not audited, and remember that the AI agents on top of the platform are powerful tools, not financial advisors. None of this is advice. It is a description of a piece of software. Treat QuantDinger as a study in what a self-hosted, agent-ready application platform actually looks like in 2026. Multi-LLM research, MCP scope tools, paper by default trading, Docker first deployment. Whether or not you ever run a live strategy through it, the architecture is worth reading. Repo and site links are in the description.